In one of the most surprising twists of the NBA offseason, Jrue Holiday is officially a Portland Trailblazer again. Yes, for the second time in under a year, Holiday finds himself on Portland's roster. But will he actually stay this time? Or is another move on the way? Let's break it all down. The Boston Celtics have agreed to trade Jrue Holiday to the Portland Trailblazers in exchange for Anfernee Simons and 2 second-round picks. If that sounds familiar, it's because Holiday was already traded to Portland before as part of the Damian Lillard blockbuster deal that sent Dame to Milwaukee. But Portland didn't hold on to him for long, flipping him to the Celtics in return for future assets. And now, history repeats itself, Jrue is back in Portland. But let's not forget what kind of player Jrue Holiday is. He's not just a role player. He's a champion. He helped lead the Milwaukee Bucks to a title in 2021. Then he played a key role in helping the Boston Celtics win the 2025 NBA championship. His impact on both ends of the floor is undeniable. He's an elite defender, a reliable playmaker, and a seasoned leader. What we've seen in recent years, from Boston's dominant playoff run to OKC's championship this season, is clear: defense still wins championships. And Jrue Holiday brings it on every possession. But the Celtics aren't just thinking about defense right now. They're also thinking about the future. With Jason Tatum expected to miss the entire 2025 to 2026 season, the Celtics need more offense. And that's where Anfernee Simons comes in. Simons is young, explosive, and skilled. He's averaged over 20 points per game in Portland and can stretch the floor, create his own shot, and help carry the offensive load, especially while Tatum recovers. This move gives Jaylen Brown the offensive help he's going to need next season, and it gives Boston a new dynamic in their backcourt. And here's the other big factor: money. By trading Jrue Holiday, the Celtics get off the massive salary commitment of over $72 million across the 2026-27 and 2027-28 seasons. In the short term, they're projected to save $40 million in luxury tax payments in 2025-26 alone. So this deal isn't just about basketball. It's about flexibility on and off the court. But let's shift the focus to Portland. What's the plan here? The Trailblazers are clearly in rebuild mode, with young stars like Scoot Henderson, Shaedon Sharpe, and DeAndre Ayton on the roster. So does Jrue Holiday really fit that timeline? That's the big question. Will they keep Holiday to provide veteran leadership and elite defense? Or are they planning to flip him again before the start of the season to get more draft picks or young talent? As of now, Portland hasn't made that clear. But based on their track record, don't be surprised if Holiday is on the move again. Back in Boston, the trade rumors continue to swirl. According to league sources, the Celtics are not done. They're actively exploring trades involving Kristaps Porzingis, Derek White, and yes, even Jaylen Brown's name has come up in conversations. It's clear that the Celtics are trying to stay competitive in the Eastern Conference, while also preparing for Tatum's absence and long-term cap strategy. And remember, Anfernee Simons becomes an unrestricted free agent in 2026, which gives Boston 2 seasons to see if he's the right long-term fit. If he clicks with Brown and Porzingis, the Celtics could still be in the mix for another finals run even without Tatum. But what about Jrue? If Portland decides to hold on to him, he'll be a mentor to the young guys and continue to bring the same defensive intensity he's known for. But if they flip him again, they might end up with even more assets to build around. No matter how you look at it, this trade shakes things up. So, what do you think? Did Boston make the right move by trading Jrue Holiday? Should Portland keep him or look to flip him once again? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this trade breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more NBA updates, and stay tuned for the next move in this wild offseason. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.